Cyprus company payroll process, explained simply. First and foremostly, all our employees or all Cyprus company employees must fill in the form IR59. This form, IR59, is a form where each employee of the Cyprus company has to state their income from various sources so that their employer would calculate the accurate amount of tax to withdraw from their remuneration on a monthly basis. Now we're referring to the pay-as-you-earn tax because this is the payroll tax. After the employees fill in the IR59 form, we are essentially they are illustrating to their employer all their income so that their employer will be able to make an assessment how much to tax this income and how much to subtract from their monthly salary. Their employer will register them to the income tax office and to the social insurance office in order to start paying their pay-as-you-earn and social insurance contributions on a monthly basis. At the year end, which is at the 31st of December of each calendar year, the employer will then prepare the IR63 certificates. This certificate shows how much each employee of this company has earned during that calendar year. It's a grossed up amount which shows the gross salary, the gross social insurance contributions paid by the employee, the gross pay-as-you-earn tax, the payroll tax that this employee or these employees paid to the income tax office, together with any other deductions that the employer made on behalf of the government from these employees' payroll. Now, this IR63 certificate is a very useful and very important certificate because this is the certificate used by all employees in order to fill in their personal tax returns, which are called IR1s. So this is it. This is the simple guide to the Cyprus payroll process. Let's sum up this process. Number one, all employees must fill in their IR59 confirmations. Number two, the employer has to register all employees with the social insurance office and the income tax office. Number three, at the year end, the employer, i.e. the company, has to issue a certificate, which is the IR63 certificate, that summarizes the gross income, the gross social insurance, and all taxes paid by each employee. Number four, this IR63 certificate is used by all employees in their tax return in order to complete it and submit it correctly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop me an email at kt@cyprusaccountants.com.cy or just call me at 99428543. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, share, like.